Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, the eighth wonder of the world. I'm going to talk about Refex Industries, which is a high potential stock to give multi-bagger return. And 6-month return is 286.58%. Now talking about the performance versus the benchmark. The stock's performance against the benchmark of S&P BSE Small Cap and S&P BSE Basic Material has been excellent. Clear comparison. Refex is a micro cap in this category. When you look at the chart, you will understand. The price to earning ratio is 4.07, which is lower, which indicates that it is an undervalued stock compared to the other companies. And the price to book at 3.01 is a very healthy value. Shareholding pattern as of March 2019. The promoters has a shareholding of 34.51%. Anil Jain having 16.24%, who is a promoter who has the highest holding. Promoters have pledged 2.81% of the shares as per March 2019. The highest public shareholding is by HUF having 2.08%. 50.74% is held by individual investors. Shareholding pattern in March 2019 versus December 2018. While looking at the chart, you can clearly see that the promoters have increased their holding by 3% in this quarter period. Annual return comparison by year-on-year basis. Net sales in March 2019 has increased by 495.88%. The consolidated net profit has increased by 3,254.91%. Operating profit excluding other incomes has increased by 1,531.28%. The operating margin has improved from the previous year. Business segmentation. The major contribution to the sales are in three categories. First, coal and ash handling contributed 72.7% to sales. Solar power contributed to 16.2% to sales. Sale of services contributed 6.95% to sales. Coal and ash handling business contribute the highest to sales and PBT to Refex Industries. However, the most capital has been allocated to solar power, which is positive development for the future of the company. Investment rationale. The company is debt free. The shares which were pledged by the promoters have been released as per the news articles which I have read. Over the few months, the stock has been on many upper circuit, but still there is a huge buy order on the exchange, which is actually a very good sign for the company. Promoters seems to be highly focused and growth oriented. They have increased their stake in the last quarter, as mentioned in the previous slide. Now, decision to buy. This stock has a high potential with a profitable business to give very good returns to the investors. An investor can buy the stock on dips and keep adding in small numbers. And the investor can track the stock for the next quarter. If the results as good as the previous quarter, the stocks can go past rupees 100 and turn out to be a multi-bagger. Considering the company's valuation, the stock is a bargain to buy at this price. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications from the channel. This content is intended to be used and must be used for educational purposes only. Please do your own financial research before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances and consult your financial advisor. And I would not be held responsible for any of the losses